So here we are given four terms A, B, C and D, and they are in harmonic progression. And using this information, we need to find out the value of AB plus BC plus CD. So let us begin. Now since A, B, C, D are in harmonic progression, then we can also state that A, B and C are in harmonic progression. We are only considering the first three terms. Now, if A, B, C are in harmonic progression, that means the reciprocal of each term, so 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C, these three terms are going to be in arithmetic progression. And we know that whenever we have three terms that are in arithmetic progression, that immediately tells us that 2 over B, that means 2 times the middle term, will be equals to the sum of the first and the third term. Fine, so let's solve this. So we have 2 over B equals to A plus C divided by AC. Or simply put, we have A plus C, so that will be equals to 2AC over B. So let's label this as number 1. Now we can also consider the second, third and the fourth term and consider them that they are in harmonic progression. So if B, C and D are in harmonic progression, this immediately means that the reciprocal of each of the terms, so we have 1 over B, 1 over C and 1 over D, they are in arithmetic progression. So we can say that 2 times the middle terms will be equals to the sum of the first and the third term. So we have 2 over C equals to B plus D divided by BD. That means we have B plus D equals to 2 times BD divided by C, and we're going to label this as number 2. Now let's do one thing. Let's multiply 1 and 2. So here we are multiplying equation 1 with equation 2. Such that we have A plus C added to B plus D. So this will be equals to 2 times AC over B multiplied to 2 times BD over C. Fine. So we have AB plus AD plus BC plus BD. So this will be equals to, here we have 1b from the numerator and the denominator factoring out, and 1c from the numerator and the denominator factoring out. So we have 4 times AD. So finally we get AB plus BC plus, this is going to be CD. So we have CD, this will be equals to this AD. If we transpose it to the right hand side and subtract it from 4AD, we get 3AD. So therefore the value of AB plus BC plus CD, that's going to be 3AD.